The hang shrug is a progression on the dead hang. I like to start with a dead hang to develop that connective tissue. After that, you want to be able to come in and out of that dead hang and have the control to do it. So starting off with the supported dead hang, you want to be able to have the feet on the ground. So have a height that you can still touch the ground, so that way you can fully engage those lower traps. So you want to really feel the shoulder blades depress and retract. So here I'm in that dead hang, then I'm going to depress and retract. The depression is the more important part. Later progressions will include depression retraction, depression protraction. So the key part at the beginning is feeling the shoulder blades come down. You might find that that puts a little bit more pressure in the shoulder joint. So in that case, you might use a parallel grip. So up here I have a parallel grip that I can use. It's a lot gentler on the shoulder. So you just got to find what works for you. At the beginning, yeah, that's going to be a little bit harder to do, maybe that shrug position with the feet off the ground. So you start with the feet on the ground. As you get better, you put more and more load into it till you can comfortably get 5 clean reps. I like using 30-second blocks with the training. You can build this up for longer, but just getting that nice control is really going to go a long way. Now, to make it harder, the underhand grip is going to be a lot stronger on the lat. So that heavier stretch, you might find a bit easier in the depression of the scap as you shrug up, but in the bottom it's going to be a stronger stretch. Same, the overhand is probably going to be easier for most people, and if you find any challenges with it holding it too close, you can hold it or hold the bar a bit wider. But just take your time progressing it, don't force it, allow your hands to get stronger, the shoulder girdle to get stronger, and it's important to film it as well, so that way you can see from the back if you're even, if you don't have a coach to point it out, especially if you have an old shoulder injury or you have one arm that feels stronger than the other, so you keep it nice and balanced.